Do you know there are over 700 programming languages in the world? But a handful of them power almost everything in your digital life. Let's explore their stories and why they became the backbone of modern technology. It all began in the 1950s, when computers spoke only in zeros and ones. To make life easier for scientists, Fortran was created. It became the first high-level language designed for heavy calculations in physics and engineering. Its strength was simplicity for mathematical formulas, perfect for early supercomputers. Soon after, COBOL arrived for business applications. Grace Hopper led its creation, making it readable like English sentences. Even today, COBOL systems run a surprising amount of financial infrastructure, banks, ATMs, and even airline booking systems. Then came the 1970s. Enter C, designed by Dennis Ritchie. C was revolutionary because it gave developers low-level access to hardware while still being portable across systems. This made it ideal for operating systems like Unix and later Linux. But C's influence didn't stop there. It became the foundation of embedded systems and microcontrollers, running everything from smartwatches to industrial machines. As software grew more complex, C evolved into C++ in the 1980s. It introduced object-oriented programming, letting developers build larger and more structured applications. Today, C++ powers video games, 3D graphics engines like Unreal and Unity, and even parts of Tesla's autopilot system, thanks to its unmatched performance and control over memory. The 1990s brought a new era. Java emerged with its promise of write once, run anywhere. Its virtual machine lets software run on any device, making it perfect for Android apps and enterprise solutions. Java's strict type system and garbage collection made it reliable for large-scale applications, from LinkedIn to Minecraft. Around the same time, the web was exploding, and so was PHP. It became the language of choice for dynamic websites. Facebook, Wikipedia, and WordPress all began with PHP because of its ability to embed directly into HTML and rapidly deliver interactive content. Then there's JavaScript, born in 1995. Initially created in just 10 days, it became the heartbeat of the web. Every time you click, scroll, or stream a video, JavaScript makes it possible. Over time, it evolved from a simple scripting tool into a full-fledged ecosystem with frameworks like React and Node.js, powering Netflix, PayPal, and countless web apps. And then came Python, a language that changed the game by making coding feel almost human. Created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum, Python was designed with one goal: simplicity. Its syntax is clean, almost like English, making it a favorite for beginners and pros alike. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is incredibly powerful. In the world of back-end development, it's everywhere. Frameworks like Django and Flask allow developers to build robust, scalable web applications quickly. When you use Instagram, for example, Python is working behind the scenes to handle everything from your login requests to serving millions of photos per second. Spotify uses Python in its backend to manage data pipelines and recommendations. Even YouTube relies on Python to handle video processing and deliver content to billions of users worldwide. Why is Python so loved in the backend world? Because it's fast to develop with, highly readable, and comes with an enormous ecosystem of libraries and tools. Need database integration, APIs, handling thousands of simultaneous requests? Python has frameworks and libraries ready to go. And it's not just web servers. Python scripts automate tasks, manage cloud infrastructure, and even orchestrate machine learning models that personalize your feed or recommend what video you should watch next. From web apps to automation to AI, Python proves that a language doesn't have to be complex to run some of the most complex systems on Earth. Finally, we look at Rust, the rising star. Built for speed and safety, Rust prevents memory leaks and crashes before they happen. Companies like Dropbox and Firefox have embraced Rust for its ability to deliver high performance without compromising reliability. It's also gaining ground in cybersecurity and blockchain development. Today, developers often combine different programming languages. A single app might use Python for machine learning, JavaScript for the front end, C++ for performance-critical tasks, and PHP or Java for server-side logic. From punch cards to cloud computing, these languages didn't just shape software, they shaped the way we live, work, and connect. So which programming language is your favorite and what do you use it for? Share it in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Simply Explained videos.